In this video, I will show you how to remove unknown login method or unrecognized login access from your TikTok account. Open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on this three slider from the top. Click on Activity Center. Click on Account History. Proceed to Manage Devices. So it's going to take you right here. At this point here, you see current login device right here. And the next to it is other devices that are having access to your TikTok account. However, if you find out that there is some of the apps or login device that you are not recognized, you can simply remove them right here. For that, go ahead and click on this trash icon. And then this is going to pump up. Remove Evening Note 30. Go ahead and click on Remove. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Remove. And you are done. You can remove as many as possible unrecognized login method in your TikTok account to keep your device and your TikTok account securely. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.